Hey guys, Joshua here. We are out camping and we like to use this tablecloth on our table. Some of the tables are kind of nasty. So the major pain with that is that the wind blows it off. So a little campground hack that we're going to do is we're adding grommets, various spots along this tablecloth, and then we'll use either some string or some bungee cords to keep it tight. And so I'm doing this last grommet here. You cut out the little holes with the piece that comes in the grommet kit, and then you just need a hammer and you got a grommet. And then a little bungee cord, or like I said, some string, keep it tight, and it'll keep your tablecloth from flying off in the wind. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, people who love being outdoors and camping, and check out ganderflight.co for more tips and tricks to improve your life. Thank you.